Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Kanak Info System LLP. Today we are talking about image background. How we can use the image background in our React Native application. So let's start. First, we need an image which I use in our mobile application. That is the image. Firstly, we need to import image background from React Native. Source is the props of image background which accepts the path of the image which we want to use in our app. We just give some styling, width 100%, and similarly height is also 100%. You can see my simulator screen. App skin text is showing in mobile simulator footer. How we can centralize it? Cut this text and paste in inside in image background and give some style like color white. It's showing on header, so we can use this styling and justify content and align items inside for image background. You can see the app screen showing in center. So thank you guys. Please don't forget like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.